Dear students, we are going to talk about the kind of questions. Today in this talk show, it's very important that you understand what are the kind of questions which you will be getting in the SSB or in any interview pattern. Whenever a person goes for an interview, they want to see how beautifully your mind runs and how complete it is in terms of training. वो ये देखना चाहते हैं कि आपका दिमाग कितना खूबसूरती से चलता है और किस तरीके से ट्रेनिंग में उसको सीखने को मिला है। ज़िंदगी की ट्रेनिंग तो शुरू हो जाती है जब आप पैदा ही होते हैं। द मोमेंट यू अराइव यू लर्न फ्रॉम थिंग्स, यू लर्न फ्रॉम ऑब्जर्वेशनल, शुरुआती वहीं से होती है। हम मम्मी पापा को बोलते देखते हैं, वी learn from observation, we learn how parents are speaking, the way they are talking, the way they are smiling, the way they are happy. That is what makes us learn better and become better. Yes? Okay. Similarly, we keep learning everywhere. In the school, in our home, day to day, every day, our grandparents, our relatives, other people, they keep teaching us. And we keep learning from there. We also learn from observation, from our school, from our neighborhood, from our family, from our society, from the world at large. I remember that I was a very shy person and I was not a good speaker, but I always appreciated some good speakers. Yes, I initiated early. I spoke 2-3 times early, class was also, but then in between, due to some family situations, I couldn't participate there, but I got back into action again in class 11th and 12th and thereafter in graduation. So I became a good speaker because I participated. I am very thankful to few friends who are presently, one of them a good corporate lawyer who helped me, pushed me for speaking practice at a later stage in graduation also. So I remember that there are many friends who contributed. There are times when parents contributed, when teachers contributed, and I became a better person. So we keep learning. Now here, why I am saying this is because from that learning, we become a person. And how good our mind was alert or not, or was it sensitive to understand, everything comes from there. Similarly, they will check those parameters. इसीलिए हमारे जो एसएसबी में एसेसर हैं वो हमारे ये पैरामीटर्स को चेक करते हैं कि हम किस तरीके से चीज़ों को सीखे थे और अभी भी सीख रहे हैं। अगर आपकी मशीन रनिंग है, चलिए मान लीजिए आप एक स्कूटर चला रहे हैं, एंड इफ़ योर स्कूटर इज़ रनिंग, दैट मीन्स द ब्रेक इज़ वर्किंग, द एक्सीलेटर इज़ फाइन, द क्लच प्लेट इज़ फाइन, the fuel engine is fine, then only the scooter will run properly. Yes or no? And you know how to handle it and how to use it. अगर आपको मालूम है उसको कैसे यूज़ करते हैं, चाहे स्कूटर है हो, चाहे मोटरसाइकिल हो, चाहे 2-wheeler हो, चाहे 4-wheeler हो, everywhere we know all the different ways how to travel with it, then only we'll do it. Similarly, ज़िंदगी में हम लोग जब सीखते हैं, when we learn from reward and punishment, which is one of the very important thing, one of the good student had informed me and corrected me on that point. Not that I was not aware, but I was using a different term. They talked about carrot and stick, and carrot and stick is actually punishment and reward. Carrot is what a person gets for good thing, and stick is when the person does bad thing. That's exactly what it is. So every human being learns from reward and punishment. If our parents punish us for some behavior, we learn that it is wrong and we next time never repeat it, most probably. But if our parents do not punish us or say never mind, we get encouraged. I know a few families who, because of lack of parents' punishment and always reward, they spoil their entire thought process to the extent that they could not sustain their progress. It's not just one, it's numerous families which I have seen, they have suffered because of this. Many students who come here and they are good, but they have learned wrong values. And why did they learn wrong values? Because the parents did not participate, or teachers did not participate, or the society gave them wrong example. They learned different things from their friends also. सो कई बार हम लोग जब गलत चीज़ें दुनिया से सीखते हैं तो हमारे दिमाग में, जहन में जगह बना लेती है, वहीं पे बैठ जाती है और हमारे व्यवहार को प्रभावित करती है. दे अफेक्ट आवर बिहेवियर, दे अफेक्ट आवर पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ टाइम्स. दैट इज वाई दीज डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस check on that. Let's go for the questions. One question is factual. Now what is factual? Like what is your name is factual. You will come up with immediate answer. What is your father's name is factual. वो तो fact है, सबको मालूम है. Where are you coming from is factual. कौन सी city से आ रहे हो उसमें कोई सोचना नहीं, तुरंत बताना है. Who is the prime minister is factual. You know it or you don't know it. There is simple factor. President is factual. There are many things which is fact, which we learn from general knowledge or which we know properly. Particularly factual are those more importantly which are concerned with our day-to-day life. We should give quick answers. Yes, there are some factual questions related to general knowledge. What is the capital of this country? What is the currency of this country? Now that is also factual. Here there is no point to bluff. You know it or you don't know it. You have to be clear cut on that approach. So if you really do not know it, say after a few seconds of trying to recall, you can say, sorry sir, I am not able to recall, or sorry sir, I don't know. Suppose you don't know at all. So there is no point to waste few seconds, 5-10 seconds thinking as if you know. You are bluffing. You give direct answer, sir, I am sorry, I am not aware of this topic. Is it clear? So that is related to your general questions. But in case they ask you something related to family, you should be aware of this because that is basics. How many brothers and sisters, sir, I am sorry, sir, I don't know. This will be wrong. So factual questions will be related to family, expected to be responded immediately. आपको तुरंत उत्तर देना है, उसके बारे में रेडी रखना है. आपकी प्रिंसिपल कौन है, कौन क्या है, ये सब आपको याद रखना है. आपकी प्रिंसिपल कौन थी स्कूल की, याद रखना है. कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल कौन थे, याद रखना है. कुछ चीज़ें आपको याद रखनी है. बट many of the things, if they ask you related to GK, which you do not know, which you may not know, then don't bluff. Tell them, sorry sir, I don't know. Have the guts to accept that. Saying no sir will be wrong because it will show that you are not also feeling bad that you have not accepted that you should have been aware. So saying sorry sir, I don't know is a better example because it shows that you are sorry to disappoint the person. If he asks you tomorrow कि एक क्वेश्चन आपने नहीं बताया और आपने बोला सॉरी सर, नो सॉरी सर, आई डोंट नो, तो बोलेगा तुम सॉरी क्यों बोल रहे हो. तो आपको जवाब देना चाहिए कि सर आपने उम्मीद की थी, मैं बता नहीं पाया, उसके लिए क्षमा चाह रहा हूँ, आई एम सॉरी. So that is okay. So factual questions में modus operandi या तो fact का डिटेल दो सही सा, बट गलत उत्तर मत दो. बोल रहा हूँ, डोंट गिव रॉन्ग. और जो दो सही दो, नहीं मालूम बोल दो नो सर. Now you will ask me what is this, why गलत उत्तर नहीं देना है. Because this is a tendency. कई लोग कुछ नहीं जानते, गप मार देते. Imagine that you are an officer and you don't know anything and you give wrong answer. What are you going to do? What are you going to do if you give a wrong answer? You are actually going to trouble yourself because by giving wrong answer, you will show a tendency of being a misleader, not leader. आप misleading करोगे, गलत उत्तर में भी चले जाओगे. That is why in factual questions you should be right or you should say no. Is it clear? Now moving down to analytical questions. Now analytical questions are a beauty. They ask you, for example, they ask you what is the size of this room. ध्यान से सुनिए, सर्विस एंट्रीज को भी ध्यान से सुनना है, हर एंट्रीज को ध्यान से सुनना है. If they ask you the size of the room, they expect you to analyze and give the answer. You should take a unit, identify and tell. Don't guess. Analysis always uses a unit in their mind. कभी भी हम कोई चीज़ सोचते हैं अगर एनालिटिकल करने में, तो या तो कंपैरिजन या कोई यूनिट या कोई चीज़ को दिमाग में सोच के उसकी एनालिसिस करते हैं. एनालिसिस माने मूल्यांकन करते हैं, आइडिया लेते हैं. मान लीजिए आपको कमरे की लंबाई, तो आप अपनी ही लंबाई के हिसाब से तुलनात्मक अध्ययन करेंगे. कुछ न कुछ आधार होगा. देयर विल बी अ बेस, सम यूनिट इन योर माइंड. and that will speak beautiful about your analytical learning. Analysis में एक आदमी की visualization power important होती है. They analyze and visualize what must be there and they give the answers for the same. So analysis speaks of your ability to visualize, ability to comparatively reason, ability to decide, ability to be logical, ये सब आ जाती है. तो we look at your analytical. Is it clear? Imagine that you become the Prime Minister of India. तो आपको imagine करना होगा, analytically बताना होगा. Is it clear? इसमें imagination भी आती है. कई बार आपको बोल देते हैं. अब remember one thing very important. If you are given an imagination situation कि मान लो ऐसा हो जाए, तो आप कभी उत्तर दें नहीं सर मैं नहीं जानता. Now this is going to be fatal. ये नुकसानदायक हो जाएगा, क्योंकि अगर आपको काल्पनिक स्वतंत्रता दी जा रही है तो आपसे बुद्धि की उम्मीद की जाती है. When they are giving you power to imagine, you should be able to imagine multifold dimensions. कई तरीके से, बहुयामी रूप से आपको, काल्पनिक रूप से आपको सोचने की क्षमता होनी चाहिए. Very important. And the moment you do that, you are coming up. Remember, you are training your mind. Whether you become an officer, not become an officer, that will depend on your consistent performance. आपकी निरंतर परफॉर्मेंस से वो चीज़ डिसाइड होगी. बट फॉर ओपनिंग अप योर माइंड, यू हैव टू लर्न टू यूज़ योर माइंड राइटली. आपका दिमाग बहुत खूबसूरत है, उसको इस्तेमाल कीजिए और सोचने की पद्धति को सोचिए. एंड टुमारो यू विल बिकम अ बेटर पर्सन. आप निर्णय घर में भी अच्छा लेंगे. एनालिसिस का एक फोकस भी होता है पर्पस पे. जैसे एनालाइज, तो अगर नापन है तो ठीक है. कभी बोलते हैं मान लीजिए आप प्रधानमंत्री बनेंगे, तो प्रधानमंत्री कोई पद थोड़ी ना है कि बस एक कुर्सी है. प्रधानमंत्री पद खुद एक जिम्मेदारी है, जिसमें उसका एक ही मकसद होगा, देश का विकास, देश का लाभ. थिंकिंग ऑफ द कंट्रीज बेनिफिट, thinking of the country's progress, thinking of the country's peace. So when a person is thinking on these dimensions, then automatically the person is analyzing with some goal in mind. If they say, okay, analyze, how will you improve your performance in your studies? तो आपको एनालिसिस करना होगा कि मैंने उस सब्जेक्ट में इतने मार्क्स लाए तो इसको और सुधारना है. ये सब्जेक्ट में मैं अच्छे मार्क्स लाया हूँ पर इसको मैं मेंटेन करना है. ये सब्जेक्ट मेरे लिए नया है, मुझे सीखना है. नाउ व्हाइल यू डूइंग एनालिसिस, यू विल हैव मल्टीफोल्ड थॉट प्रोसेस, बट यू विल फोकस ऑन द गोल, ऑन द ऑब्जेक्टिव. Thus your analysis will become beautiful. Suppose you want to get married, what will you do? Analysis question. Now you need a marriage. Marriage is a social institution which has to be stable for long. तो आपको कैसा व्यक्ति चाहिए? साथी चाहिए. You don't want anyone who is not a friend, who is not a person to support you, who is not a associate for you. You would always like somebody from there. So your focus is very clear. You have learned from your father and mother how they support each other, how things run in that conditions. So that is your focus, analysis. If they tell you you want to come first in the class, how will you do analysis? So you will analyze what I'll do this, and it also includes comparison with the person who's come first. So therefore, remember, analytical approach is very beautiful system, but it also requests you to go into visualization. While visualizing, you have to keep the objective in mind. गोल याद रहना है कि करना क्या है, किस दिशा में काम करना है, और उसके बाद आपको देना है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव ऑब्जर्वेशनल. ऑब्जर्वेशनल क्वेश्चंस आर बेसिकली टू चेक योर रडार मोड. आपका रडार कितना खुला है, आपका अलर्ट मोड कितना ऑन है, इसको चेक करने के लिए ऑब्जर्वेशनल दिए जाते हैं. दैट दे विल आस्क यू, ओके टेल मी वन थिंग इन योर this place, what have you learned, what are the places, what are the different places, where did you go, what did you learn from there, how many friends you made, यहाँ क्या देखा. अच्छा, यहाँ पे जो आपका एंटरटेनमेंट रूम है उसमें कौन कौन सी पिक्चर देखी आपने, या अभी आप वेटिंग रूम में बैठे थे, व्हाट डिड यू सी देयर, व्हाट वर यू डूइंग. दे मे ऑल्सो आस्क यू व्हाट डिड यू सी द डिफरेंट पिक्चर्स हियर. वो दे मे आस्क यू एनीथिंग. दैट इज ओनली टू चेक योर रडार सिस्टम. यही चीज़ आपकी प्रोग्रेसिव ग्रुप टास्क, हाफ ग्रुप टास्क, अन्य टास्क में आपका रडार, अब आप खड़े हो उसी पे और आपको मालूम नहीं कहाँ है. You are given a situation in group planning exercise, you are given your 5 people and you have this and you are forgotten. आप में से बहुत सारे lost cases भी है, thanks to the traffic issues, thanks to the multimedia, thanks to the reels. आपकी जो attentive mode है वो थोड़ा कमज़ोर है, बीच बीच में गायब होता है. इसलिए आप क्या करते हो, कभी कभी you forget to observe properly. You may be having everything in your hand, but you will not be able to observe. There will be hidden resources like in group planning. They give you, there is a police station, there is a subdivisional headquarter, there is a village, there is a guest house, forest guest house. तो अब ये ऑब्जर्वेशन खुद ही रिसोर्सेज को ढूंढता है, क्योंकि अगर गेस्ट हाउस होगा तो वहाँ पे कोई आदमी मिलेगा, रहने को, खाने को, पानी कुछ तो होगा. Now this is something which you have to identify. And if it is a forest guest house, they will be always having a gun or some kind of equipments to safeguard them from animals, because they are living in the center of the forest guest house. So similarly, your observational power will also multiply your analytical power. It is all dependent, each of them are dependent. Observational power में क्या देखा आपने, कैसा लगा. They may ask you what did you learn from here. Observational power. अब आपने देखा कि यहाँ पे there are different kind of activities which are involving education, speaking. So you must have learned कि I have to improve my speaking, I have to understand the diamond, the world is a big place than the small well where you are coming from. जिस कुएं से आप लोग आ रहे हो उससे बड़ी दुनिया है, तो उस दुनिया के लिए तैयारी और अच्छी होनी है. They have to be good. So that's exactly what you will do. Observational में होगा, they will ask you tell me some suggestion. What will you do? SSB में यहाँ पे कोई चीज़ खराबी हो, any suggestion you have, observational से आएगा. So all these kind of questions they give you to identify how you are good at it. तो हम लोग ने अभी 3 क्या पढ़ा, फैक्चुअल, वो तो आपको होमवर्क क्लियर होना चाहिए. एनालिटिकल, आपकी विजुअलाइजेशन पावर रेडी होनी चाहिए, कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछे तो एनालिसिस करना आना चाहिए, मूल्यांकन करना आना चाहिए. यू शुड नो हाउ टू एनालाइज. देन ऑब्जर्वेशनल मीन्स यू शुड बी ऑलवेज बी रिसेप्टिव टू न्यू थिंग्स, लर्न from different sources, learn from different people. How many friends, which friend has come from which place, you will learn, and if you will discuss, you will get more knowledge from that. तो observational. फिर आता है behavioral. Now behavioral pattern is something which they will go into your emotional points. They will identify how will you behave in extreme conditions. Your father becomes ill, this thing happens, your best friend cheats you. All these kind of questions are behavioral. Now here many people think that if I become an armed forces person, thanks to the Bollywood movies, we think that we have the right to shoot the person because the person has cheated us. So here you go. No. It is not the truth. The truth is that we are expecting the armed forces person to use the arms only for country protection, not for their small issues. So they should have the stability, maturity to handle behavioral patterns. They should not become extreme in behavioral matters. So they expect, so they will give you, suppose you don't get selected, so they are now looking at your reaction to defeat. Suppose you get selected, what will you do? They are checking how you will behave. So all these kind of behavioral situations, कई बार आपके behavior balance है कि नहीं है, ये पूछे जाते हैं. There are many candidates, they have doubts कि यार ये emotional है, या ये too gentle है, या ये too aggressive है, या ये he is too aggressive. Then what will you do? He is too gentle. What will you do? Is emotional. What will you do? Or what she will do? Whatever it is, they check this in behavioral pattern. So they will give you an imaginative situation and tell you to answer that. So this way they will identify how will you behave. I agree your emotions are there. I agree you have your child liking, disliking, but I also agree that there is a disciplined approach to life. That is, you have to learn how to manage all these emotions, aggressions, love, whatever, in a proper way, in a disciplined manner. And that we call as behavioral situation. Is it clear? Understood? Yes or no? Now, last one is situation, where they will give you a decision making area, where they will check your decision makings. They can give you an emergency situation, accident happens, suppose there is a fire and this. So now they are again looking at set of combination of what? Analytical, observational, behavioral also. Now all these three are coming into this category. So why situational? They may try to learn all about all the three, but in an imaginative way. So this way, by the situation, they will be able to identify how your mind works and how you will handle different challenges and situations. वो पता लगा लेंगे कि आप किस प्रकार की व्यवस्था में क्या क्या करेंगे. So actually, improving your personality hardcore deep inside requires more time than 15 days. It requires a good thinking process. आपका निरंतर सीखने का तरीका बहुत ज़रूरी है, बहुत ज़रूरी है, बहुत ज़रूरी है. And in my small experience here, I have found people enormously increasing. बहुत शानदार तरीके से सुधरते हुए, क्योंकि वो इमोशनली स्ट्रांग हो गए, सॉलिड हो गए. उसके बाद एक बार आपका अंदर का कोर ठीक हो गया तो आउटर कोर में देर नहीं लगती सीखने में. जीडी में कैसे कर लेना है, उसमें क्या करना है. You learn. Even in situational, they ask you, people are not agreeing to you. What will you do? मेरे पास ये चीज़ आती है कि आपका पूरा ग्रुप नहीं सुन रहा. So becoming silent at that point of time for some moment and letting them speak their points and one by one ask them what is logical, you will automatically expose them. You will automatically handle the situation. जब सब लोग बकवास कर रहे हों और आपकी कोई सुन नहीं रहा, आप थोड़ी देर शांत हुए. ओके, व्हाट डू यू थिंक? ओके, व्हाट इज दिस लॉजिकल? ऑटोमेटिकली कई लोग दे स्पीक फॉर द सेक ऑफ स्पीकिंग. कई लोग बोलते हैं क्योंकि उनको बोलना है, पर वो सोचते नहीं क्या बोल रहा है. ऐसी परिस्थिति में आपको जब उनको बोलने का मौका दे देते हो तो वो अपने आप सुनते हैं जो बोलते हैं, तो समझ जाते हैं वो गलत बोल रहे हैं, और ऐसे में आपकी सॉल्यूशन सॉल्व हो जाते हैं. So some things you have to learn. So I hope you have understood about all these five kind of questions you are coming across. So what is the kind of question now? Why I educated this is very clear. When you come to know what kind of questions are being asked and what should be the right approach, you automatically do it. Now there are some people जो analytical, observational, behavioral, situational question को factual question की तरह उत्तर देते तुरंत. They are doing the biggest error of showing that they are learning everything, they are not understanding anything. ये गलती मत कीजिएगा, मत कीजिएगा, मत कीजिएगा. Don't do this mistake. Whenever you are asked anything on analytical, take some time to think over it and then answer. There is no hurry whatsoever. If they are asking you observational, whatever you observed, say no hurry. Behavioral, no hurry. Situational, no hurry. So in factual you have to give to the point answer, but in others you have to think for a few seconds and answer. If you give a good answer without thinking, you have wasted the opportunity. अगर आपने एक शानदार उत्तर दे दिया बिना सोचे, तो भी एसेसर आपको शायद सिलेक्ट नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि he or she will think that you have learned the answer, not understood the answer, not analyzed the answer, not thought over it. So remember this difference. So the response time also differs in the kind of question. So I hope you've learned something out of this. Keep evaluating, keep learning, keep becoming a rock star. God bless you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.